Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on Do Not Disturb on your Google Pixel. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. The easiest way to enable Do Not Disturb is to use the button in the Quick Access panel. Swipe down from the very top of the screen twice to view all of the options and find the Do Not Disturb button, and you can tap on it to turn it on or off. We can also enable Do Not Disturb within the settings, where we can change how it works as well. Open the main Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Notifications from the list. Within here, choose Do Not Disturb, which is in the General section. You can use the button at the top of this page to turn it on or off, and then customize exactly what Do Not Disturb mode will do below this. For example, you can allow certain apps or people to be allowed. You can also set up an automatic schedule. That's how to turn on Do Not Disturb on your Google Pixel. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Google Pixel. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.